For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Congress has announced that it will hold nationwide protests on August 28th against the centre's decision to conduct NEET and JEE exams during coronavirus pandemic. AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal announced the decision on nationwide protest and termed the government's decision on NEET exams a dictatorial move. State Congress units will hold protests on August 28th at 11 a.m. in front of central government offices at state and district headquarters.
The government's decision to hold NEET JEE exams in September amid COVID-19 pandemic has created huge concern among the students and parents. Lakhs of students and parents from across the country are rightfully agitating and demanding postponement of NEET JEE exams. Apart from the obvious risk of infection, the decision to hold these exams will undoubtedly make it increasingly difficult for students to appear for exams due to the availability of limited transport and lodging during the pandemic. The centre's decision has put the students in a state of extreme mental stress.
KC Venugopal said Congress functionaries will wear face masks and maintain social distancing during the protest. He said the party will also organize massive nationwide online campaign #Speak Up for Student Safety on August 28th. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi criticized Modi government for refusing to postpone NEET and JEE exams.
NEET JEE aspirants are worried about their health and future. They have genuine concerns of fear of COVID-19 infection, transport and lodging during pandemic, flood mayhem in Assam and Bihar.
Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala said health and safety of lakhs of students are being jeopardized as students are protesting across the country.
Due to COVID-19, transportation across the country has either not started or normalized. How will JEE NEET students arrive at the destination with absolute safety and return? What arrangements have been made for their safety, etc.? Has Modi government left the students in the lurch?
Surjewala questioned government over arrangements for students stuck in flood-affected areas in various parts of the country. Interestingly, some leaders within the BJP are also demanding postponement of NEET and JEE exams. BJP Rajya Sabha MP Subramanian Swamy has been demanding the Modi government to postpone the exams.
Does government realize holding NEET JEE exams at this juncture favors the children of rich parents in major cities? In the last 5 months, the poor and lower middle class children have had no access to internet or ability to go to libraries or collective study. Prime Minister can empathize.
Over 150 academicians have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in favor of conducting NEET and JEE exams, saying further delay would jeopardize academic future of students. Subramanian Swamy also criticized academicians for justifying the government's decision to hold NEET and JEE exams amid pandemic.
IIT Delhi director says delay in holding NEET JEE exams will seriously hurt studies, but lockdown has seriously hurt the economy. Therefore, was Prime Minister wrong in imposing it? Even today, there is lockout in many states.
Interim AICC chief Sonia Gandhi held a virtual meeting with non-BJP opposition chief ministers on August 26th and discussed the issue of NEET and JEE exams. 7 non-BJP chief ministers have agreed to move a joint petition in the Supreme Court to challenge centre's decision.